where people want to become YouTubers and create content, but are wondering if YouTube actually does work and if YouTube is going to pay them money. You can become a YouTube partner even if you're coming from a country that does not have a partnership with YouTube. But the question is, how do you become a YouTube partner? So I'm going to give you tips on how you can become a YouTube partner and how you can get your first 1,000 subscribers and your first 4,000 watch hours. I'm also going to share with you on which niche pays the most amount of money on YouTube, as well as how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views that you get. So I'm going to share with you most of the basic things or most of the basic questions that a person is going to ask concerning YouTube. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to offload a lot of information concerning YouTube. So to start with, does YouTube work? So the answer is yes, because you can become a YouTube partner even if you're coming from a country that does not have a partnership with YouTube. So you just have to get those first 1,000 subscribers and as well as the first 4,000 watch hours. That's the threshold, or those are the requirements for you to become a YouTube partner to start with. You need to get 1,000 subscribers on your channel as well as 4,000 watch hours. So this target is most preferable if you are to achieve it in a space of 365 days. So that's in a space of 1 year. You need to hit 1,000 subscribers and as well as 4,000 watch hours. So if you are to hit this target in a space of 365 days, YouTube is actually quick to respond to your application to become a partner. If you've placed your settings correct in your YouTube channel, you're going to receive a prompter telling you that you can now apply for membership. So once you receive that prompter or that email saying you can now apply for membership, then you drop your application stating the reason why you want to become a YouTube partner. So for me, it took less than 24 hours and I was given feedback to say I'm now a YouTube partner. So as well, there's certain information that you need to include in your application requesting that you may become a partner, of which I'm going to create a separate video telling you the details on how you are supposed to write your application for YouTube to respond quickly to your request to become a member. So like I said, the threshold is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and this target is most preferred in a space of 365 days, which is a space of 1 year. So if you hit that target, YouTube is going to respond quickly to your request to become a partner. Moving on to the next topic on which niche or which particular content pays the most amount of money. So it's not all about creating content after you've become a YouTube partner. It's also about what type of content are you creating. So there's content that's going to give you more money per 1,000 views, or CPM, what they call cost per mile, and as well there is content that's not going to give you as much money. Two videos get the same amount of views, but the amount of money attracted to these two videos differs because of differences in niche. So number one, the niche that gives the most amount of money is, if you're talking about money, YouTube is going to pay you more because they believe that for someone to come and click on a money related video, they already have money somewhere. They're just trying to make a decision on which item to buy or how they can invest their money or how they can expand their money. So if they run an advert, the chance is high that someone can get a $10 or a $5 and purchase that item that they've run as an advert. So money related content is number one, tops the list, followed by channels that talk about technology. So if you're talking about technology, let's say the latest iPhone, the latest Samsung, the latest laptops, so such type of content as well pays more because you're talking about things that cost money and things that are valuable. So for someone to come and click on such type of a content, the algorithm assumes that they are well to do or they are financially okay. That's why they would come and click on a video, let's say the latest iPhone, the latest laptop and such things, maybe comparing Samsung to an iPhone, which phone is better, such type of content. So the algorithm assumes that for people to click on money related content or technology related content, they've got money. So it's easier for them to purchase that item that they've run as an advert. So social related videos pay less money. You can get 1,000 views for a social related video and you can get 100 views for a money related video. The amount of money that you're going to get from only 100 views from the money related video is going to be more compared to the money you're going to get from a social video that has 1,000 views. So let's say you just wake up and decide to vlog on how to cook the best dish or any type of social related content. So YouTube won't pay you much for the 1,000 views that you're going to receive. So you can receive something like even a 0.09 US dollars. Whereas for your 100 views on the money related video, you've received something like a $2-3. Above everything, it's important to also focus on a niche that you feel comfortable with, or that you are naturally inclined to, or that you find easy to create content on. Let's say, for instance, you are a social person and you're very good in socializing with people, you connect easily, you are a vibe, and all that type of stuff. I think social content would do good for you because you're going to grow your channel very fast. And when you grow your channel, meaning the more people on your channel, the more money is attracted to your channel, because the more ads are going to run on your channel. So as long as you are good in that particular area, I think it's easier for you to grow faster, and like forcing yourself to be in a niche because it pays more. So above everything, though niches vary in terms of the amount of money that you're going to get paid, but it's important to focus on a niche that you feel comfortable with. Because what's the point of creating content and you're not even happy at the end of it, or that you're doing something productive, something to give you passive income? So it's better off you do something that excites you even as you do it. I've done so much explanation on the niche. I think you've gotten the major points, the differences on which niche to go for and why you should go for it and how much they pay and issues like that. So the other issue I'm going to share with you, how much YouTube pays and how it pays. It's also important to know, to have information on how YouTube pays. So once you become a partner with YouTube, the first people who are going to pay you are Google Adsense. So Google Adsense are going to be the guys sending money to YouTube, of which YouTube is going to be entitled to 40% of that money that AdSense has paid you for running a particular advert on your channel. So the 60% is yours and the 40% is for YouTube. So AdSense is going to be running adverts on your channel once you become a partner. They can run various things on your channel as an advert. So let's say one person clicks on a video, and then in that 5 minutes video, 4 ads run. So for those 4 ads, as long as the person doesn't press skip, AdSense is going to pay you money for that advert that has been run on your channel. The more adverts run on your channel, the more money you are going to make. So as long as people don't press on skip once an advert appears, you are going to make money. So if you're coming from a country that does not have a partnership, it's important to create international content that people from other countries can relate to and can watch. So if a person from a non-monetized country publishes a video and a person from a monetized country watches the video, that person is going to make money. So that's the whole reason why I said, yes, it's possible for you to become a partner even if you come from a non-monetized country and make money. Because if your content is relatable even with people from other countries, they can view your content and you can make money off those international views. The more adverts run on your channel, the more money you're going to make. So I hope I've done enough explanation. Hope you get the whole picture. So the first thing is you need to make sure you get those 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours in a space of 365 days. That's the preferable duration for YouTube to promptly respond to your request to become a partner. The second thing is the niche. I said money and technology related videos pay more because the assumption or the algorithm assumes that for someone to click on a video that's talking about how much an iPhone 16 costs, they believe that they already have money. They just want to see how much an iPhone 16 costs compared to maybe an iPhone 13 costs. So they're just trying to compare the two prices. They already have the money, they're just trying to make the decision. If Google AdSense runs an advert, it's easier for them to remove a $5 and purchase that item that they've run as an advert compared to social videos. Social videos, someone is just passing time, maybe they're from work, they're just trying to refresh and just trying to, get hyped up and just get back in the good vibe. So for social videos, not much money is attracted. But like I said, make sure you're doing something that you're comfortable with. So if you feel like you're good with money and technology, then go ahead. If you feel like you're good with social content and you're going to grow your subscribers quickly, then go ahead, because once your subscribers are more, you get paid a lot of money. Recently, it was published that Mr. Beast got paid about 600 million US dollars just off YouTube in the year 2024. So you see all those advantages. So it just depends on what makes you comfortable. And the last thing I shared with you guys is how does YouTube pay. So once you get that partnership program, before you get attached to any affiliate program like Amazon, what pays you is Google Adsense. So Google Adsense is going to send money to YouTube. YouTube is going to keep 40% of that money. YouTube is entitled to 40% of the money that you're going to make from your own content. So 60% is yours, 40% is for YouTube. You can't debate about that. That's just how things are run on YouTube. And the other thing I mentioned is how you make money is not necessarily through more people viewing your content. So let's say only 100 people watch your content, and then in that 100, let's say 150 adverts have run on your channel. So meaning you're going to get paid more money because more ads have run on your channel compared to someone who has maybe 2,000, 10,000 views and yet no ad has run. So that's basically it. I hope you get the whole idea on YouTube and I've cleared a few questions. So we've come to the end of this video. Subscribe for more technology and money related videos because this is what this channel is all about. So as we go on, I'll be doing live streams, maybe interacting with people on a personal level. I would interact with my subscribers, my viewers, give shout outs. And as we go, obviously, as the channel grows, when we get comfortable, we're going to be giving out gifts. So subscribe for more money and technology related content because that's what this channel is all about. But this video is specifically to help you guys who are planning on becoming YouTubers but are doubting on whether you can make money or not. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. Stay safe and I'll check you out in the next video. It's peace for me.